Welcome back to the vlog, everybody. Let me catch you guys up on what we did. The motor starts now. It's not running perfect yet, but we'll worry about that later. We kind of deleted some EGR stuff over here, but we didn't do the full delete, so that's what I'm assuming. It also could be a misfire, but it was Sun's running car, so who knows? We'll figure that out in a second. But as of right now, the car won't be able to drive just because all of the airlines and everything have been cut. Well, not the airlines, but all the lines that go to the compressor and the whole management and everything. So putting everything back together should be fairly easy. They just literally connect back up to each other and to the battery, and we should be able to get the compressors to work, and we should be able to air up the car. We are so close, and I'm so excited. Hearing the car turn on felt amazing, even though it didn't sound all that great. Enough of me talking. I know you guys want to see this thing run, and I want to drive it. So, let's do it. Okay, everything is all hooked up. Let's turn the car on and get the compressor on and fill the tank up with some air. There we go. Come on. Dope. Compressor is on. Yeah, voltage low. Alright guys, so this car is trying to play games with me right now. Everything is done. The car won't start, so we're using Boo's battery to jump it, but I think we've used this so much that this is dead. So, backup plan. Now, we're gonna jump the jump. So, let's turn it on. We're at 33%, so it should be good. Roy, watch out, this is dangerous. Be careful. And there we go. So it says low, but now we're gonna plug this to the wall. If it don't start after this, I don't know what to do. But
is it plugged in?
It is plugged into the wall.
Okay.
Alright. Ready?
Start her up.
Let's do it.
Dude, I think we need more power.
What do you do?
Anybody got a portable charger?
I actually do. Did somebody say portable charger? We're going.
What the fuck? So you're gonna plug that to this?
Fuck it, let's do it. Watch out. Hey guys, Isaac! Is this dangerous?
Probably. If you gotta ask yourself that, it's 12 volts, it'll be fine.
I mean, if Blue puts a shock collar on his neck, you'll be fine.
Isaac, come check this out.
Can I enjoy my COVID vacation?
Shut the fuck up. You think this is gonna work?
You didn't even ask for a vacation.
Well, for starters, that says low. That's not even working. So.
But we got it plugged into the wall.
And look, check this out. Portable charger, baby. Turns out everything's just going in to charge the portable charger. You think it'll work? It might.
You were sleeping.
Yeah, I know. Send it!
You know what we're gonna do?
What?
We're gonna do this. Give me those other jumper cables.
All of them.
Just rub your hands, create static electricity, and just
Boom!
and it's on.
Isaac came up with a better plan. Hopefully this is gonna work. Check this out. Straight to here. All the way to Francis' car. Got it. Got it. Alright, don't kill me.
Jesus Christ.
Whoa, look at the corrosion on that.
They got the red.
Is that good? Yeah. Alright, fuck it. Oh!
I still can't find the dust.
Why does it sound?
I didn't know the deal.
Why does it sound?
You already know COVID-19. What's good? What's good? We out here. Oh, shit. Oh.
What the fuck?
Rotor, yeah. It's a rotor in Nissan.
before we fucking fill up this entire thing with...
Oh, look at the back. It's smoky.
We're on that.
I was trying to prevent that. I forgot the throttle cable. And...
Why does it sound better than when it was in Sun's car? I was kidding.
Alright guys, so we figured out the issue after several hours. Look at this. The car is on. It's not misfiring anymore. That sounds crazy. Oh my god. It's so obnoxious. Pretty sure I'm gonna get pulled over driving this, but it feels so good. Just driving the car around and just feeling the car roll. Oh my god, I am so happy right now. You guys don't even know. I know it's just a KA, but just having this car running, dude, it's been almost a year since I drove this car, and it's almost been a year, and this little moment right now just feels so good. 2020 hasn't been the best year, but honestly, this is probably one of my favorite moments. I've been waiting so long just to even drive it. This feels so good. Guys, can we give this video a thumbs up? Okay, I have a few more things I want to do, but check it out. Cluster and everything works. I'm gonna let you guys hear it. This thing sounds crazy. Oh my god. Hey Vu, can you do me a favor? Can you step on it for me? But you know what? Oh my god. Yeah, that's bad. All aired out. Everything works perfect. There we go. There's ride height. It's like midnight right now. Let's take this thing inside. Let's just start putting everything back on and let's bring this baby home. This car runs. Okay guys, I lied. I didn't end up putting anything back on. It's a new day and I just was overlooking at this car. But I'm gonna go pick up a new ECU right now. Kevin lent me this ECU, and also the car's way too loud. And I'm also picking up a cat right now as well, because you know, I do want to drive this car around town just a little bit, just coming to the shop and back home without getting pulled over for the exhaust being too loud. I'm actually gonna go take this car and pick up the ECU and the cat right now. I hope I don't get pulled over.
I don't think that's a good idea.
You don't think it's a good idea?
Yeah, but it's content.
It's content, baby! Alright, you know what? If we get pulled over, everything is stock. Intake is legal, and I'll just tell the officer that I'm going to go pick up a cat so that the car sounds a lot better. So.
We're asking for too long. I'm going crazy! Send it!
Alright, you heard the boys. Let's start her up. Oh, it feels so good to be back inside. I haven't put anything back together yet, and the windows don't roll down just because I haven't wired anything yet, but you know what? Let's go pick up this ECU and take this thing for the first drive and really test out the car. First of all, we gotta go pump some gas. cops. Just pumped the first tank of gas in a long time. There we go. Pray to God I don't get pulled over. Dude, it's my first time using these. Oh, I'm so hyped. Shout out to Night Runner. Reggie, love you, dog. Hope to see you soon this year once this whole thing is over. All right, guys, pray to God I do not get pulled over. Because if I do, I'm gonna be recording the whole thing for you guys. Oh my God, there's a cop right there. Oh my God. There's legit a cop right there. Uh-oh. 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 There's another cop right there. Uh-oh. 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 Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. This is so scary. Why am I doing this? Oh. Oh, he's right there. Oh my God, he pulled in. Dude, why am I doing this right now? I'm not even fucking kidding. There's two cops right there. Oh my God. Come on, please. Turn green. Oh my God, my heart's pounding right now. You know what? Fuck it. We get pulled over? We get pulled over. It's content, baby. Dude, this is so obnoxiously loud. If I don't get pulled over, shit. Oh my God, I wish you guys could hear how bad this sounds. We made it back, baby. I gotta get used to that. First drive was a success. Yo, give this video a thumbs up if you thought this car sounded horrible. And if you guys are hyped on today's video, because I am. I guess we could start putting everything back on and throw on the new cat and the new ECU.